Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make a early payment on Affirm. Okay, so let's get started. So we have to follow these steps. So first of all we will just open here our Google, and at here I will just come to Affirm. Okay, so to make the payment on the Affirm, you have to do to schedule the payment. So here you have to follow the steps. So if you are in website, you can see you have to go to the navigate to the pay, then you have to select the purchase that you want. Here then you have to click on make the one time, then you have to select how much you want to pay, then you have to select the payment method, then select the review the payment, then card method and all the dates, then submit the payment. Okay, in the website. In the app you have to sign the account, then you have to navigate to manage, then you have to click on tap on the purchases you made, then you have to choose the payment amount, date and method, then you have to select pay now, then it's done. So this is how we can just do it. So it's a very easy thing to do. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.